eSafe is the new generation of compressed air coupling from CEJN. eSafe's unique patented design offers all the familiar benefits of our standard couplings, but now combines safety with performance. The energy-saving and efficient eSafe coupling's high flow feature requires less compressed air at a lower pressure drop. This results in improvements in productivity and reductions in compressor costs, saving time and money. eSafe is ergonomic and one-hand operated. With its simple connection and disconnection, it improves the safety of the work environment for the user because there is no recoil or loud noise. eSafe is simply the best choice when you want to reduce your energy costs, improve productivity, and improve the safety of the workplace. This is how the coupling and nipple work during connection and the recoilless disconnection. The patented valve solution, the highly efficient streamlined coupling, and the hardened front section make eSafe completely unique. With a single manipulation, the hardened steel nipple is coupled to the eSafe coupling. Steel hooks inside the coupling grip the nipple slot, and the valve opens and lets the air pass through without obstruction. During disconnection, the pressure is bled off and the nipple is easily removed without recoil. This is how it appears when we compare disconnection between eSafe and other types of coupling. With eSafe, you prevent expensive occupational injuries due to loud noise and recoil. Pressure drops and air leaks are expensive. Here, we compare an eSafe with streamlined coupling with a competitor's coupling with hose clip. With eSafe and the unique streamlined hose coupling, the machine receives the maximum air capacity, a low pressure drop, and there is no leakage from the hose coupling. With just a small hole, which can occur easily next to a hose clip, the compressor must work hard to compensate for the pressure drop. With eSafe, the job is done much faster and thus gives better profitability. eSafe is a safety coupling developed to give better total economy, for better efficiency for all types of demanding pneumatic machines, for all types of industries and applications, and to improve the work environment thanks to the silent, recoilless disconnection. eSafe, a new generation of compressed air couplings from CEJN.